Hello everyone, my name is Bhumi Bharat Tiple. In this video, I'll be summarizing the key features which I've learned from my both the certificates Kali Linux and Linux tutorial. So number one, I'm gonna start with Kali Linux. What is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is a Debian based distribution that is specifically designed for penetration testing, cybersecurity, and digital forensics. It comes pre-installed with numerous tools to help security professionals access networks and systems for vulnerabilities. Setting up Kali Linux. I started by installing Kali Linux either on a virtual machine or as a primary operating system. This installation process is straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure that all the necessary configurations like network settings and system updates are done properly for optimal performance. The Kali Linux interface uses GNOME desktop environment. The command line is where most of the work gets done, and I learned how to navigate the terminal efficiently. The key commands in Linux. To be proficient with Kali Linux, I brushed up on fundamental Linux commands such as ls, cd, pwd, mkdir for navigation and file management, chmod for managing file permissions, ps for monitoring processes, and netstat for networking tasks. Networking tools. Kali Linux includes a wide range of tools for network analysis and exploitation. Some of the tools which I explored were NetMap, Wireshark, and Netcat. Kali Linux comes preloaded with over 600 penetration testing tools that are used for a variety of tasks such as network scanning, exploitation, password cracking, social engineering, reverse engineering, and digital forensics. Some of the most popular tools included in Kali Linux are Metasploit, Nmap, and Wireshark. Developed and maintained by Offensive Security, Kali Linux is known for its robust security features and its ability to run on a variety of platforms, including desktops, virtual machines, and even on mobile devices. So, the key features of Kali Linux are its pre installed tool for ethical hacking and penetration testing, customizable and can be tailored to specific needs and use cases, live system capability, open source, free to use, security focused with a strong emphasis on secure coding, system hardening, and testing. Kali Linux is designed for use by security professionals and is not intended for general purpose use or casual users. It provides a wide range of tools for security, auditing, vulnerability research, and system penetration testing, making it a vital resource for anyone involved in cybersecurity. Number two certificate was Linux tutorial. So, what is Linux? Linux is an open source Unix like operating system which is widely used for various applications from personal computing to running servers and even powering embedded systems and mobile devices. It was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991 as a free alternative to operating system like Unix. Since then, Linux has evolved and become one of the most widely used operating systems in the world. Key features of Linux. Linux is an open source operating system. The source code of Linux is freely available to anyone. It can be modified, redistributed, and used by anyone, making it highly customizable. Kernel. The core of the Linux is kernel, which is responsible for managing hardware resources, system processes, memory, and peripheral devices. The kernel interacts directly with the hardware and allows other software to run. Distributions. Linux comes in many distributions, each tailored for different purposes, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian. Kali Linux is a distribution specifically designed for penetration, testing, and cybersecurity. The Linux kernel is the core of the Linux operating system, managing system resources like memory, hardware, and processes. Now, navigating the file system. Basic commands which I've learned in Linux tutorial are echo. Echo is used to display text in terminal. PWD, which prints the current working directory. ls, which lists files and directories. cd changes the current directory. mkdir creates a new directory. rmdir, which removes an empty directory. Touch creates an empty file. Files and directory operations. File manipulation. cp copies files and directories. mv moves or renames files and directories. rm removes files and directories. cat displays the contents of file. Nano or vim is used to edit text files in the terminal. Now, managing the file permissions. Understanding permissions, Linux has a permissions model that user read, write, and execute. Permissions for files and directories assigned to the owner, group, and others. chmod changes files permission. ls shows detailed information about files, including their permission. Package management. Installing and removing software. I learned how to manage software packages using package manager like apt for Debian based systems like Ubuntu and Kali Linux. apt update updates the list of available packages. apt install installs a new package. apt remove removes an installed package. apt upgrade upgrades all installed packages to their latest versions. Working with processes, managing processes. PS displays information about running processes. TOP shows real time system resource usage. Kill terminates a process by its process ID. Kill all kills processes by name. Networking commands. Checking networking connections. Ping is used to test network connectivity to a remote host. Netstat shows active network connections. And shell scripting, creating simple script hash bin bash. The she bang at the start of the script defines which interpreter to use. In this case, it's bash. Basic syntax like variables, loops, conditions, and functions to automate task. So, in conclusion, through the Linux tutorial, I've gained a solid understanding on the basis of Linux system, file manipulation, user management, process monitoring, networking management, and security. These skills form the foundation for more advanced system administration tasks, software development, and cybersecurity. That's all for the video. Thank you.